Welcome back to again my YouTube channel. To the front of you again, I have sitting here for citing one new story from the book of 10th class, and that book name is here Footprint Without Feet. Which topic about I have to broach the beyond of you. That topic name is here the necklace. This is very interesting story from the book of 10th class. The student who is reading 10th class, first I would like to tell to everyone, you don't miss in watching of that video till end, till where that video will be made by me. You keep on watching of that and you keep on inserting different kinds of the sentences related from this chapter. If you will be inserting to lots of the sentences related from this chapter, then really in all of your mind one day will have lots of the sentences for making interact rather for talking. So my every word which I have told of you the short message for following in all of you life, let you follow and you make to very pleasure life. Now I am going on that point, which point about I have to discuss. What is the topic here? The front all of you. The topic is here the necklace. It has written in the subtitle of that chapter. But before reading of this chapter, all of you will have need to understand of that means what is the means of necklace. Necklace is called of that thing which is worn by all of us in that neck. That is called necklace. And in this story, what has given about of that necklace? A story about of that all of us have need to know. In this story, there is coming one Matilda names lady. She is looking to very beautiful and she has born in a poor clerk family. She has born in a poor clerk family, but she is not fully satisfied with that family. She always lives unhappy in her life. And why does she live unhappy always in her life? About that I am going to tell. She lives always unhappy because in her family had not hope and in her family had not dowry to get marriage of her with a richest bride groom. And she is telling to all of us, really the God has not justified with me. The God has born me in a poor clerk family. Really the God should not do like this. If any person is made to very beautiful through the God, then the God should bear of that girls in any richest family, whereby all those managing things can be managed to very nice through of richest family. That's why she is telling, I should not bear in this family. I should bear in a richest family. Because her makeuping things, whether her clothes and all, that all those kinds of the things, it was not managed by her parents. That's why she is damning of God, she is cursing of God whole time. When she became like to marriage, and when you understand in other way, when she became at the age of 20 or 24, at that time she just started to decide to marriage to herself, selecting of any bridegroom. And she married to choosing of petty clerk. Means her husband was working of one clerk in a education board council. When she married, then now the point is coming here about of her life story. When she is gone in in-laws home, then she is looking also in that place going, all of the house walls were looking to very shabby. And when she is entered inside of the rooms, then she is looking all those kinds of the things, as many facilities were in her husband home, all those chairs, sofa, tables, these all kinds of the luxury things were very worst. Means all of the things she is finding broken all in that room. She is going again in the kitchen, then also she is looking in the kitchen, all of the utensils, those all were broken. When she is looking to all of the utensils are broken, then really that is not good for my life. Means she was dreaming in her life to pass of her life with very pleasure. According of her dream, her life was not happening. That's why she was living to work very unhappy in her life. But always her husband wanting to make her happy. But when her husband came back from the duty, from the jobs, at that time, when Matilda served food in a dish, and when her husband sat for eating of that food at that time, also her husband admired to very much of Matilda cooking. Her husband was telling like this matter, oh, what delicious you have cooked of that food. When her husband told like that matters, admiration about of Matilda, Matilda did not speak of anything the front of her husband. Why did she not speak of any kinds of the thing the front of her husband? Also there is reason, because she was not wanting to serve of any kinds of the foods in any bad utensil. She was wanting to serve the food like of any silver pot in silver dish. But as she was thinking of that, according that she was not getting in her life. That's why she was not talking much with also her husband. And there is one day her husband came from his duty at evening times, and he came to taking one invitation card in his hand. And when he entered in the hall, Matilda was seated just beside of the window, and always Matilda kept on thinking different kinds of the matter after going her husband in the duty. Also, just this time, she is thinking something to sitting in the chair beside of the window. After that, suddenly her husband is entered in that room, and her husband is coming to telling in a loudly voice, "Hello, my dearie, let you see of that. What have I brought for you?" But when Matilda looked of that card in the hand of her husband, then Matilda did not speak of anything. But her husband gave up that invitation card in the hand of Matilda. But when Matilda looked at that invitation card, then on the top of that invitation card it was written, "Most welcome in my party." Means where her husband was working, in which company her husband was working, there was any celebration. And in that celebrations, every clerk's wife had been invited by that company minister. So when she looked at that invitation card, just so, she thrown away of that card in other direction, and she starts to weep. And why does she start to weep? About of that point I am going to tell. When she starts to weep, then her husband is looking the way of Matilda. Really she is weeping, and for which reason is she weeping? About of that, knowing her husband is going the near of Matilda, and her husband is telling, "Oh my dearie, you tell me, why are you weeping? What have you problem? Which kinds of the nuisance you are getting in the life, and you are going to weep?" Matilda is not answering of any kinds of the thing the front of husband. Only she is going to weep or weep. When continually she started to weep, and when her husband started to ask of this matter, "You tell to me what is the reason for weeping. You tell to me, then I shall know of that problem." Then Matilda is telling, "Once, this card is not like for me, and also I am not like for this card. You give up these invitation cards of those clerk wife whose husband have lots of the property, whose husband have lots of the jewels, clothes. You go and you give up these invitation cards of those clerk wife who has lots of the property." When her husband heard of that matter through the mouth of Matilda, then actually for some time also he felt very bad, and again he attempted to persuade of Matilda to telling of that I am knowing of that you are very unhappy. The front of me, this matter I am knowing now. I am knowing of this matter from the previous time, but also that problem can be solved. It was to tell to me what have you problem. When her husband started to ask again and again of Matilda, then once again Matilda is telling, how shall I participate in that minister home? I have not of clothes. Once wearing I shall go in that party. When her husband heard of that matter, she has not of dresses for wearing the body, then just her husband is telling to Matilda, you have not of any clothes for wearing, then I shall get by of you. Now let you show off for happiness. But even if she is not coming to very soon in happy mind. After that, just her husband is telling, you take care, I am telling you, under of some days I shall get buy of one new frocks for you for wearing. Because I have 400 francs. I have kept 400 francs, means rupees, you understand in other types. I have 400 rupees. I had kept of that because I had to go to in this summer vacation for victim in the forest, and I had to buy one gun. That's why I have kept to saving of that 400 francs. And this year I shall not go. From that money I shall get buy of a frog. After that also our work will be done and also our cloth will be bought. Like this matter, it is told by her husband. After that, she hears to very carefully of that, mean my husband will get buy of that clothes from the market from that 400 pence. After that, again she started to weep. When she started to weep again, then again her husband is asking to Matilda, you tell to me again what happened to you, but you told to me the first problem, I have solved that. Then what the new problem is creating in your mind? After asking so much, Matilda is answering, but from dress only will happen. Also, I have need more any kinds of the things for makeuping, for furnishing in my body or not. I have not of any ear tops, nose tops, any anadem, any garland, means these all kinds of the things I have not. Then what wearing I shall go? And also I have not of any necklace to wear in my neck. What wearing I shall go in that party? Only cloth wearing I shall be gone there. When Matilda told like that matter, then just again her husband is telling one idea, means he is giving one idea of Matilda. I am telling of you, when you were reading in a convent school in your childhood, at that you had one friend. You remember of your friend M.M. Forrester, means M.M. Forrester was the friend of Matilda when she was reading in convent school, when she was child. When Matilda heard of that matter, just she is abacked and she is telling, yeah, I had one friend, and also this time I have that friend, and also my friend's marriage has been. Matilda's husband is telling to Matilda, I am telling of you, you go to the home of our friend and you take some jewel in borrow. I think if will be gone in the home of our friend, homes means M.M. Forrester home, then our friend will not say, I shall not give of any kinds of jewel, because she is very pity-hearted lady. When Matilda heard of that idea, then Matilda became happy for some moment and told, okay, if you are telling to me for going the home of my friend, then I shall go tomorrow. And tomorrow just happening, she is come out from her home and she is gone in the home of M.M. Forrester. When she is gone in the home of MM Forrester just looks of Matilda, looking of Matilda just MM Forrester surprised. Oh, how did you come sudden in my home today? Many days ago you visited to me, but today you are visiting to me. I am thinking of that. Really, my friend will live always with me. Means like this something matter between both. It was discussed there. After discussing of that matter, just MM Forrester is wanting to know about of her nuisance problem. But now MM Forrester is telling it was to tell to me, how did you come today in my home? Friend, you tell to me. After that, Matilda is telling, I have come in your home for one work. If you help to me at this time, then I shall share of that problem with you. MM Forrester told, if you share of any kinds of the problem and I shall not help of you in this time, it can't be. Just Matilda is telling, I have come or home for asking of some jewels. Would you borrow me any kinds of jewels in this time? MM Forrester is telling, why not? I can borrow of you many kinds of jewel which you are keeping to desire for taking away. I shall give of you that thing which you will choice, that thing I shall give of you. First you eat in my homes, staying after that. After that, Matilda stayed in the home of MM Forrester for some time. After that, when she ate up of any kinds of the things which may have been given by MM Forrester, that thing it was eaten by Matilda. After eating, MM Forrester is going in the jewel room and she is opening up jewel case. When she is opening up that jewel case, just MM Forrester is taking out many jewel box and she is showing off Matilda. But Matilda is not liking any kinds of the jewel. But when she is not liking of any kinds of the jewel, then Matilda is telling to MM Forrester, have you not more any other kinds of the jewel? Let me show that. After that, just MM Forrester in the last time, she is taking out one box of diamond necklace. And when she took out of that diamond necklace box and brought the front of Matilda and see her, you see of this necklace, would you like to take up that? When Matilda took the box of that diamond necklace in her hand started to shake. Because she was thinking of that and she knowing this time, my God, I had never seen of this diamond necklace in my life. That's why her hand started to shake. When she took up that diamond necklace box in her hand palm, then her hand started to shake. After making control of her hand, she is going the front of the mirror and she is taking out of that necklace of diamond and she is looking to wear of that necklace in her neck. When she put one of that necklace in her neck, then she looked very beautiful and she desired, I would like to take of that diamond necklace. And she is telling in a very low voice, friend, I would like to take of this diamond necklace. Can you borrow me? MM Forrester is telling of Matilda, why not? If you are keeping choice, then you can take of that. And she is taken of that diamond necklace and again she is gone to home. When she is gone to home, then also the ball of that party, it has come and today she has to go in that minister home party. She is bathing and after bathing of that, just she is ready to wear cloth and all, and after that she is dressed up. After dressing up, she is wearing of that diamond necklace in her neck, and when she put one of that diamond necklace in her neck and she bound one anadem in her braid, means in the hair braid, she bound of that anadem. When she bound up that anadim in the hair braid, braid means what do you understand? Braid is called of that one type of pigtail. In her pigtail bound one anadim. Anadim means what do you understand? Anadim is like of any garland, a small garland, which was made by any art, any natural flowers, also artificial flower that is made. After wearing of that anadim in her pigtail and wearing of that necklace in her neck, just she is come out from the home and she is going with her husband in that minister home party from where she was invited. And when she is gone in that party, then all of the minister, as many guests who was presented in that party, all of the peoples were looking the way of Matilda, because that day Matilda was looking to very beautiful. Means as much she was looking to beautiful, but it can't be explained also by me and also by that writer who has written of this story. Means she was looking to very beautiful, like a fairy. Means she has comes from heaven. Like this she was looking, and she is feeling to the very happiness, and on her face she is keeping to very pleasure smile. When all of the ministers were looking the way of Matilda, all of the minister kept on looking the face of Matilda, and also Matilda was feeling at that moment to be very proudful on her face, on her body. Now in that party, she is dancing, she is singing, all those programs, it was happening there. In that program, she is doing two different kinds of the activities, and she kept on attracting of everyone's mind. Whole night she kept on dancing. When it became the night of 3 o'clock, then just she decided, I should not stay till longer time in this place. I should come out from that party and I should reach again my home. And when she was dancing in that party at that moment, her husband and two more clerks were sleeping in a saloon beside of the road, and also those clerks' wives were dancing with Matilda in that party. When she came out at night, in the morning times, about 3 o'clock from that party, and came where her husband was sleeping, just she is making awake of her husband, and her husband is come out from that saloon, and now Matilda is telling, actually we both should go to very soon till my home. If it will be daylight, then really it is not good for all of us. After that, Matilda's husband is telling, you are wanting to go to home, then how will you go on foot? This is impossible to go on foot by you, because you have never gone anywhere by on foot. So how will you go? Matilda is telling, I shall see if anywhere, no any kinds of vehicle I shall get, whether I shall visit, doesn't matter. But if I shall be gone to some distance from this road, then in the main road, any kinds of the vehicle will be visited. Then her husband is giving one idea. If we both will be reached on the main road, then in the morning time, the coil blue cart, many coil blue cart go on the road and carry up the coil. If both will be seated in that coil blue cart, then we both will be reached to home without tiring. After that, both went on the main road. In the morning time, many blue carts were going, riding in that blue cart, both are gone to home just before happening of that morning. And when both are reached just before of morning, then now Matilda is going again in her dressing room, and she is going there for putting off her cloth. When she is going the front of the dressing table, then she is looking, means in her neck there was knot of that diamond necklace. When she did not see of that diamond necklace in her neck, just she is awakened and she is telling, I have not diamond necklace in my neck. Her husband was taking rest just beside of dressing room when her husband heard of that matter, means Matilda has not of that diamond necklace. Then her husband is telling, what are you nonsense? What are you talking about? My dear, let you see to very well in your neck. Matilda is looking of her neck, just the front of the mirror again and again, but she is not looking in her neck. There was not of that necklace. Then finally she told, really I am telling of you, I have not of that necklace. I think that necklace has lost. When her husband heard of that matter, means really she has not of that necklace, then her husband just is coming out to running from other room, and he is telling, you see, in a frock frill, I think that necklace may have broken and it may have hung in our frock frill. After that she started to sack of that frock, but it was not hung anywhere in that frock. When she did not find of that, then it had been declared, means her necklace has lost. And just Matilda husband decided to go in the same road by which road both had come. After that, in the morning time, in the same road he started to go. Then he did not find of that necklace to anywhere, but now her husband also is going in blue cart station. In that place he is advertising to telling of that, if any person who may have found of one diamond necklace and who will give to me, then first that person will give to identification of honesty. Like this meter telling, he advertised in all over the place of that blue cart station, because both had come to redeem one blue cart. That's why he went in the blue cart station, and also he was not knowing of that blue cart number. In the morning time also the number plate of that blue cart, it was not looking. That's why also it was not clear that in which kinds of the blue carts I went to home. And after advertising in that blue cart station, he went in the police station and also he complained there to telling of that, sir, I had one diamond necklace, so that has lost. And telling of that matter also, he came back to home, and Matilda and her husband both started to wait to find of that diamond necklace. It became 1 or 2 weeks, but no any information came from anywhere. But when no any information came from anywhere, then one day Matilda's husband is telling to Matilda, I am telling of you, it became about 14 or 15 days. Even if we have not found of that diamond necklace, then I am telling of you one point, you understand and you follow that. Matilda is telling, what are you telling to me? Let me tell quick, I will follow. But just her husband is telling, I am telling of you, what may our friend be thinking about of you? Means in taking time, she was taken away of that diamond necklace, and in giving time, she did not reach to very soon. When her work was completed, she did not reach of that diamond necklace to very soon. Our friend may be thinking like that meter. So I am telling of you, you write a letter to our friend, and in that letter you write, my friend, what to say, which necklace I had taken to you, that necklace has, means that chain, it has broken. After repairing of that, I shall refund of you very soon. As her husband advised of Matilda for writing, according that she jotted down, and after jotting down of that letter, she sent of that letter to friend. After that again she and he both started to wait of that diamond necklace, means from anywhere any notification will be reached here. and I shall be found of that, and I shall return of that diamond necklace of Forrester. But when it became about 20-30 days, 1 month passed away, then both started to decide what will happen now. I think that diamond necklace is not to get again in all of us life. I think I shall have to give up this diamond necklace again of my friend. If I shall not give, then really my friend, what will think about of me? Very bad. My friend will think. Then Matilda is telling to her husband, I am telling of you, I shall have to return of that diamond necklace to similarly as it was. If I shall not refund of that diamond necklace to similarly, then my friend will think to very bad about of me. Then just her husband is come out from the home and he is gone to Jewer market. When he is gone to Jewer market, then he searches in every kinds of the jeweler shops similarly diamond necklace as it was brought by Matilda from the homes of Forrester. When he started to wander in all over the place of that jeweler market, then he did not find of that similarly diamond necklace in any kinds of the shop. But in that market there was one shop. That shop name was Royal Palace. When he went in the Royal Palace shop, then in that shop he found the similarly diamond necklace as that necklace was brought by Matilda. After that, when her husband is asking to the shopkeeper of that jeweler, then he is asking what is the cost of that diamond. Then that shopkeeper is answering the front of Matilda's husband, it is the cost about 40,000, and when you will buy of that a item, I shall give of you in 36,000, means 4,000 I shall give of you discount when you will buy of that at that moment. Taking the cost of that diamond necklace, again her husband is come back to home, and he decided of all those matter about of that necklace which he has seen to going in that jeweler shop. After that, now Matilda husband is telling what to say, I have not lots of the money for buying of that, how to buy, but only I have 18,000 which I have kept to giving of someone person in like of debt in loan. Then from years will come more 18,000 for buying of that. After that, Matilda is telling, I am giving of you one idea. If you follow, then also that money will be managed. Just her husband is telling, what is that idea? Let me tell. After that, just Matilda is telling, I am telling of you, as many servants are working in our homes, those all servants, you get out from works, and I shall work myself of all those kinds of the work which is done by that all servants, and which salary you are giving of those all servants, that salary will be saved, and from that salary we can buy of that diamond necklace. After listening of this matter, just Matilda husband became to ready, and also he was agreed. When he was agreed on the matter of Matilda, then as many servants were working in that home, all the servants were got out from that place, and Matilda started to work herself every kinds of the work of her home, and from that money he bought of that similarly diamond necklace from that Royal Palace, and that diamond necklace was returned by Matilda of Forrester. After returning of that, now here is telling, it had been some loan for paying of that loan. It became many years, and I think about 4-5 years passed away. In 4-5 years passed away, then Matilda also, her parts of the body started to look like of very old. When she started to look like to very old, then she is looking to her face, really my Face has been very disfigured. This is not good looking. My whole parts of the body. Then one day when that whole loan is completed, then one day Matilda is keeping desire to herself to wander in any park, and one day she is requesting to her husband, means I would like to go in any park for wandering after 5 or 6 years, because when she was taken of that loan, but at that moment she was working to very hardly in her home, and for paying of that loan she had to work to herself. That's why her whole parts of the body glowing, it was destroyed. And when she requested the front of her husband, means I would like to go in any park for wandering, at that moment just her husband allowed her, you can go wherever you are wanting to wander, you can wander. After that, one day just she's come out from her home and she's gone in the park. In which park? She's moving in the same park her friend M.M. Forrester also she's moving. When Matilda looked up that M.M. Forrester to wander in that same park with a child, then Matilda is going the near of M.M. Forrester and she is telling, hello, good morning, Jenny. Means in that place has given the name of M.M. Forrester, Jenny. Means she is calling of M.M. Forrester from the name of Jenny, and she is telling, good morning, Jenny. But when M.M. Forrester looked the way of Matilda, just M.M. Forrester is telling, why are you telling to me good morning? I don't know you. Who are you? I think you have been some confusion. Matilda, listening of this matter, also she is surprised, my God, my friend is forgotten me. How is my friend? Before some years, my friend was recognizing me, and this time my friend is not recognizing. What is the reason? After that, Matilda is going to declare of that matter, going the front of the M.M. Forrester and telling, friend, I am your friend, Matilda. But when she told to herself, I am Matilda, M.M. Forrester is telling, what are you sensing? My friend Matilda, she is not like this. She is not looking like a world. But Matilda is telling, really, you are right. Matilda is not looking like that, but really, or Matilda, she is here. But when she told, I am Matilda myself, then M.M. Forrester is telling, how happened of our body condition like this? How are you looking to very bad? And how are you looking like of old? Then Matilda is telling, which body you are looking here like of old, it has been on account of our necklace. Which necklace I had taken through of you previous 4 or 5 years. That necklace was lost in that minister home party. And which necklace I have given of you, that necklace I have given of you to buying of another necklace. That was the cost of 40,000. When M.M. Forrester heard of that matter, then M.M. Forrester is telling, police, which necklace I had given of you? That necklace was only the cost of 400 francs. Means 400 francs, and that was ordinary. That was not genuine diamond. When Matilda heard of that matter, means which necklace I had taken through of my friends, that was not genuine, then she started to feel to very regretting herself. And after that, in both, it happened to some discussing, and after discussing of that, this story is over in that place. Then the front of you, which story I have recited from very easily manners, how did you realize? After listening of that, you must tell to me to writing comment in my video comment box, and you must indicate to me how was that story explanation. Again, I shall visit of you in my next video. For till then, bye bye, thanks.